Here's where you can go to change your default music player on your Vivo phone with Android 14 Origin OS 4. So let's just say you installed a new music player on your Vivo phone and you no longer want to use the one that's default. So in order to change it over to that, you'll switch into the quick panel access and tap on the settings right there. Once in the main settings of your Vivo phone, go down to where it says apps right there. And once you're here now, you'll see default apps. And as you enter into the default apps, you'll see all the different types of default apps that you can switch in and out of. So you'll look for the one that says music right here. And if the app is compatible with your Vivo phone from the Play Store, you will see the new music player. So this is the one I recently installed. So that's one I want to switch over to. All right. So it says replacing the default music player may cause problems such as instability and compatibility, but this basically is depending on the file of your audio files on your device. Okay. So you can use it or change it from here. And once you switch to change, you're good to go. And basically every time you have a new song saved on your phone, it will now be saved also into the player and open up with that player. You can change it at any given time, like and sub.